Welcome to my channel Ashfaq Biology Cell Structure and Function MCQs. Topic Nucleus MCQs 1. In differentiated cell, the nuclear pores will be then undifferentiated cells. Option A more, B less, C equal, D 0. Correct option is B. Cell structure and function MCQs. Topic Nucleus MCQs 2. The outer nuclear membrane is rough because of option A ACR, B RER, C ribosome, D none. Correct is option B. Cell structure and function MCQs. Topic Nucleus MCQs number 3. The inner nuclear membrane is rough because of option A RER, B SER, C ribosomes, D none. Correct option is option D none. Cell structure and function MCQs. Topic Nucleus MCQs number 4. Ribosomal RNA transcribed in a part of cell. Option A cytoplasm, B nucleoplasm, C nucleolus, D ribosomes. The correct option is option C nucleolus. Cell structure and function MCQs. Topic Nucleus MCQs number 5. The peripheral region of nucleolus is A filamentous, B fibrillar, C vacuolar, D granular. The correct option is D granular. Cell structure and function MCQs. Topic Nucleus MCQ 6. DNA replication enzymes are present in eukaryotic cell part. A cytoplasm, B nucleoplasm, C ribosome, D Golgi bodies. Correct option is option B